guys, it's me, Jacqueline. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. I'm really glad to have you. Consider subscribing. I'd love to have you around here for more videos. Today we are talking all about the makeup that's on my face. I'm going to walk you guys through me applying it. If there's anything that you don't see enough details on, check that description box down below. I will have everything I'm wearing listed for you down there. And without any further distraction, let's go ahead and jump into the application portion. Starting off with our crease color, I am just placing that mostly in the outer portion of my crease, but I am bringing it almost all the way in. I am slowly building this color with our crease brush. This is just the clean one I had handy. Before picking up another crease brush with just a color that is closest to my skin tone, and then moving into some shimmer. These Pat McGrath shimmers really like to be applied with a finger. I'm applying a lighter shade with more precision on a brush on my inner corner. Picking up the darkest shade on a little bit of a denser brush, I am working that into the outermost portion of the lid, as well as the crease. I'm slowly building that color on the outside portion. Truth be told, with that building scenario, I would recommend starting with your darkest color first if you deal with wear issues the way that I do. Otherwise, this method may work out well for you to start with your shimmers and then work into the deeper colors. I was also listening to a podcast called Approachable, and it was making me laugh pretty hard. I enjoy other people's laughter and fun, and so I left it in. I'm again using that skin tone shade to blend out my edges just for a more finished overall look. To highlight my inner corners, I am using the shade Platinize, which is the lightest shade in this 6-pan palette. Then hubby brought me dinner and I was really excited, surprised, delighted. And then I moved on with the rest of my makeup once I ate I think it was pizza. Delicious gluten-free pizza. Anyway, just kind of tapping some powder in before moving on to powder color products. This is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer that I really enjoy. This brush is limited edition, though if you are one of my subscribers, you are going to be entered for a chance to win this. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a really big giveaway. So, share your favorite video with your friends. You could win one. Anyway, moving into this new blush I picked up. This is new from Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. It's a beautiful satiny light mauve for those of us fairer in undertone. I am also applying the Revlon Electric Shock Highlighter in the shade Prismatic Light. I mentioned this in another video. If you have not yet watched it, I will link it for you over in the corner. This I have been playing around with lately, and I find that it makes a really big difference in how my mascara applies. I've been enjoying this L'Oreal primer. And then the Exhibitionist mascara from CoverGirl as well. That one is growing on me. I think it had to dry out a little bit for me to enjoy it, but I am getting on with it rather well now. I still prefer the Clump Crusher on my lower lashes, which we will see here in a minute. But I have been combing out in between coats with this Tweezerman lash comb just so that I get less clumping. I'm not big on that effect personally on my own face, but I did go in with a little bit of Clump Crusher lash extensions on my lower lash line, as well as to top up that final layer on my upper lash line. Now moving into lip color. I'm mostly wearing lip liner topped with a little bit of gloss. This is my favorite Makeup Forever lip liner. And then I go in with a sample size that I received with a Sephora purchase recently. This is in the shade Wherever Walnut. It is a newer formula of their lip liner. So far so good, though I can't really say if the wear time is as good as that other one. This is our finished look. This has been what I've been wearing on my base to work, and it's been working out really well for me. I've really been enjoying this makeup look. If you enjoyed it as well, leave me a like down below. That helps me out a lot. Leave me a comment if you think of something. I love hearing from you. And I hope you're having a great day or evening wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.